Welcome to our course on reconnaissance. Our goal is to help you gain a comprehensive understanding of reconnaissance, how you can unearth information using many techniques, and what countermeasures to use to avoid having your company information leaked.
Yeah, and in this course, we are going to take a look at reconnaissance concepts and how reconnaissance is a threat to an organization. You also will learn about reconnaissance methodology, where you will learn how to gather information using various methods. And finally, you will learn how to protect your company's information from being leaked.
So, reconnaissance is the preparation stage where the hackers will try to gather as much information as possible about the target. The target could be a network or a system. The information gathered in this stage can help you draw up a map of the target's network infrastructure and its security. This information will be helpful for the hackers to gain a better idea about the environment that they plan to break.
That's right.
If hackers don't gather this information about their target, their task will be much more unpleasant than those who do. You can imagine how difficult it would be to hack into a network without knowing anything about its associated features or inherent weaknesses. It is like trying to walk through a thick forest at night without having a map and a flashlight. This is not always a good thing.
Yeah. Reconnaissance is the first step of gathering information about the target system and creating what we call a blueprint about the security flaws. Reconnaissance means gathering a collection of information before the attack. The idea is to collect as much information as possible about the target that may be valuable later. Before beginning an attack, hackers may research information on network type, network devices and systems, normal usage patterns, employee information, and physical and electronic security systems.